it's Michelle, and I've received another Design Team packet from European Papercrafts, and I couldn't wait to share this with you guys. I just received it today, and I said I have got to do an unboxing video. I looked through it already, and there are some gorgeous things in here that I cannot wait to use in some projects. Okay, so first of all, we have more easy 3D card toppers. And I just love these, and I tell you, the more I work with them, the more I come to love them. You can use them in so many different ways. You can do the 3D layering, or you can just simply have multiple die cut images to use on your card or on separate cards. So here is one with a beautiful butterfly and daisies. I just love that. And some gorgeous orange hibiscus flowers. And I like this one because it has, on the back layer here, it has sort of a ribbon going across that is perfect to frame out the corner of a card or something like that. And then, of course, your other layering pieces to add dimension to that. I think that's gorgeous. And then we've got some more flowers with a butterfly. I love these. And some little polka dot ribbon bows. And this, I know I definitely will be using in a project for you guys. This is by Jillibean Soup, and it is a shaker card kit. And I think this is wonderful. So I've got two of these here. And we have the little cutout in the card. And it's a beautiful little speckle cardstock. I don't know if you can see those speckles, but I love this cardstock. And it has the little jar shape in sort of a dimensional plastic already, just to insert in your little window there that's already cut out for you. And then you can just put a backer on there and fill it with whatever you want to make a shaker card. And I think that will be great. Those little buttons that came in the last Design Team packet would be great in here, and I think that's what I want to use actually. I can't wait to do these. I have been wanting to do some shaker cards and shaker tags anyway, so I can't wait to use these. And here are some beautiful sequins too that would go great in that shaker, in that little jar shape. They're a clear iridescent, so they will match with any project you want to do. And those are by Darice in the color Crystal. So these will be going in my shaker card too. And these are some of the little border stickers. And I love these. And these are in a gold color. I'm going to try to peel one up here just to show you guys off of the sheet what you get there. And you can see that that is just so delicate and gorgeous. And what a beautiful border that would make on just about any card or tag or whatever project you're doing. I think that is beautiful, and I love that sparkly glitter effect in it, in that gold. And those are star form stickers. And I will have the links to these products below for you guys if you want to go get these. And I think they're beautiful. And here is some more of the layering pop-out cuts. And you can see there in the package that it's kind of popping out already. You just pop those straight out of the page and they're ready to use. And what some beautiful bird images on here. I just love this. And sometimes I like to come up with, oh, look at those. Beautiful images on that side too. And I just love these pink birds. I don't know if you guys can see that gold. There it is, the gold in the leaves and on the wings. I love these. I just love these. I have got to come up with a project for these. And here we've got a 6x6 paper pack. I'm going to set that aside and we'll look through every page. We'll save that for last. And here we've got some more 3D layering die cuts. We'll see what we have in there. There's a makeup vanity with little flowers and birds and butterflies. That is so pretty. And they are also the ones that are already partially die cut, so you can just pop those out. And that is beautiful with the framed border there with the little purse and makeup. And I think these would be really great for a tag for Mother's Day. I may make a tag from these. I just love the glitter on these. They're so beautiful. And there's some suitcases and shoes, all sparkling with glitter. More shoes and a postcard, flowers and butterflies, and a pretty vintagey looking type of dress. I think those are gorgeous. And magic shrink wraps. And these are just plastic sleeves. They remind me of the ones that I used to get when I was a kid. The little round ones to shrink wrap around Easter eggs. That's what that reminds me a lot of. And it shows here the beautiful things that you can put them on. You can decorate Christmas ornaments, jars. You could put them on candles. It looks like here that they're putting it on some sort of a glass bottle. Look at those beautiful ornaments. I think these are gorgeous. And they have beautiful butterfly patterns, which I love. I just love butterflies. So I can't wait to figure out what I can shrink wrap these onto. And then we have a card. I'll have to try to figure out how this works, but I really like it. It's got shapes cut out. I'm sure that folds for some sort of pop-up or something like that. And it's got a beautiful embossed pattern on the front of that with leafy vines going around. So that'd be beautiful on some sort of a springtime card. And then we have decoration cards by Hardy Crafts. And these are just images printed all over the front of this one card that can be cut out with your paper trimmer or however you want to do it to create different elements on your card. As you can see, nothing is die cut there. It's ready for you just to cut out the way you want it. There's a large panel here that you could use as your card base. You could cut out a border here, cut this out as a border, or you could turn it this way and have a card front with the border already on there if you wanted to cut it that way. And on the other one here, we've got some beautiful pink and purple colors with birds and flowers in there as well. These would make some beautiful and easy cards. And now we are down to our 6x6 paper pack. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see a little closer. Okay. And there are some beautiful patterns in here. flowers and butterflies. I just love the script look to the background and the things that are going on in there. I think that's beautiful. And we've got a pink polka dot. And more with a scripty background. I love those pink and purple flowers. And here we have the vintage dresses with script in the background. Would go well with our other thing that we saw here with our 3D pieces. If you remember, there was some of the vintage dresses in there. And here we've got some dress forms and the vanity seat. Very pretty. And here's a soft green background paper with some vines on that. And more of that green color with script in the background. And here's a pretty stripe. If you can see, there's even sort of a plaid within some of those stripes. And then we have a polka dot. I think that is very pretty. And then all script. And there is some shoes, postcards, suitcases, just like we saw in our 3D layering pieces. And there's a blue background with sort of a plaid sort of grid to that. I think these are just beautiful. I can't wait to come up with some projects for these. They're beautiful. So that is it. You guys can be expecting to see some of these in projects in the near future. I can't wait to get started on them. If you guys have ideas too, be sure to leave a comment and let me know. If you want to get any of these products over on European Papercrafts website, it is 3dcardmaking.com, and don't forget to use the coupon code Craftie at checkout and you'll get 10% off of your order. And I think these are beautiful, beautiful supplies. So be sure to go on over there and get some of these, and let's get started making some spring paper crafts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to all of those in the description below also. So be sure and check those out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.